Namaste. Surya Namaskar is a wonderfully designed vinyasa practice which helps you strengthen, stimulate and stretch the entire body muscles. Surya Namaskar can be practiced at one's own pace. Surya Namaskar is limited to pain, stiffness and a certain few conditions like hypertension, hernia, low back pain and venous blood clots. Please view our simplified Surya Namaskar practice and Surya Namaskar preparatory for better benefits. Bring your legs together, arms in Namaskara Mudra in front of the chest, spine erect, chin lifted, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. Take a few rounds of deep breaths, relaxing the body. Inhale and raise arms up over the head, arch your back, push your hips forward, look up at the sky. Exhale and bend forward. Place your fingertips by the sides of the toes, the fingertips and toes aligned. Try to reach for the palms down to the floor, moving your forehead closer to the knees. Inhale, take your right leg back, drop toes, drop knee, push your hips forward towards the left heel, arch your back, look up. Tuck right toes in, retain, move your left leg back to push up posture. Body in a straight line. Contract the abdominal muscles to maintain the body straight. Exhale, drop knees, your chest in between the palms and the chin down to the floor. 8 parts of the body touching the floor. 2 toes, 2 knees, 2 palms, the chest and chin. Inhale and arch your back, raising the body up, look up, no strain to the neck. Keep your legs relaxed, your feet flat. Tuck toes, exhale, back to mountain posture, raising your hips and the knees high. Try to push the heels down to the floor, moving the body weight back to the legs. Inhale, bring your right foot forward in between the palms, the toes and the fingers aligned. Push your hips forward towards the right heel, arch, look up. Tuck left toes in. Exhale and bring your left leg forward, moving your forehead closer to the knees. Your abdomen pulled in with each exhalation, moving the chest closer to the thigh. Inhale and raise up, arching your back, arching your neck. Look up, stretching your arms. Exhale, bring your arms in Namaskara Mudra in front of the chest. Now let's practice on the other side, left side. Inhale and raise arms up again, arching your back, pushing your hips forward. Look up. Exhale and bend down, placing your palms by the sides of the feet. Try to reach for the palms down to the floor. Try to bring the upper body in close contact to the lower body. Inhale and take your left leg back, drop toes, drop knee, pushing your hips forward, arch, look up, flatten your left foot. Tuck left toes in, holding the breath, move your right leg back to push up, body weight in the arms now. Try to slide forward on your toes if possible. Make sure the whole body is in a straight line. Exhale and bring your knees down, your chest down and the chin down. Feel the comfort in the posture. Feel the chest expanded. Now with inhalation, raise the body up and arch your back. Look up. Try to keep your elbows slightly bent and touching the sides of the body. And make sure the shoulders are relaxed. Exhale and raise the hips and knees high, pushing the feet down to the floor. Try to move the shoulder blades towards each other. Do not press the chin to the chest. Keep your neck relaxed. Raise the hips to the highest point. Inhale and bring your left foot forward. In between the palms, your toes and the fingertips aligned. Moving your hips forward towards the left heel now. Arch your back, arch your neck to comfort. As you exhale, bring your right leg forward. Moving the body closer to the legs. Make sure you don't strain the spine. Just relax the upper body and let it move closer to the legs. Now slowly inhale and come up. Arching your back, arching your neck, elbows and wrist extended. Exhale and bring your arms to Namaskara Mudra in front of the chest. Namaste. We are going to practice a simple set of supine postures which can be very beneficial to cure back pain. At the same time, strengthen the body muscles, especially of the lower limbs and the back. Lying flat on the floor, bring your feet together, arms closer by the sides of the body. Inhale and bend your right knee to the chest. Interlock fingers around the right knee and try to pull the knee closer to the chest as you exhale. With each exhalation, try pulling it a little more closer. Breathe in, exhale and raise the head up, moving your forehead or the chin closer to the right knee. Maintain a few seconds. Continue to breathe. Inhale and bring the head down, releasing your arms. Exhale, straight right leg. Inhale, bend left knee, interlock fingers, pulling the knee closer to the chest. Loosen the hip joint, loosen the left leg. Breathe in, exhale and raise the head up, moving your forehead towards the left knee. Inhale and bring the head down. Release your arms, stretch left leg straight. Bend left knee. Inhale and raise your right leg up to 90 degrees. Try to keep your right knee straight and flatten your right foot. Exhale and bring your right leg down. Bend right knee, stretch left leg straight. Inhale and raise left leg up to 90, flatten left foot. Exhale and bring your left leg down. Bend left knee. Interlock fingers behind the neck. Breathe in. Exhale and twist lower half to the left side. Try to keep your feet one over the other. Try to keep your knees together and twist the upper half to the right side. Breathe deeper And slowly as you inhale, come up straight. Exhale and twist to the opposite side. The lower half to the right, upper half to the left. Feel the twist in the spine. Feel the stretch in the muscles supporting the spine. Inhale and come up straight. Move your feet apart. Legs at 2 feet distance. Breathe in. Exhale and twist lower half to the left side, upper half to the right side. Try moving the right knee behind the left foot. Try to relax the spine at the same posture. Breathe continuously. Inhale and come up straight. Exhale and twist to the opposite side. Try not to raise the shoulders. Inhale and come up straight. Moving your feet closer to each other. 1 foot distance between the feet. Inhale and raise your hips up, arching the spine. Try to raise the hips high to comfort, moving the body weight back to the shoulders and the chest moving closer to the chin. Exhale and bring your hips down to the floor. Inhale and bend your knees to the chest one by one if required. Interlock fingers around the knees and try pulling it closer to the chest. Loosening the legs. Breathe in. Exhale, raise the head up, moving your chin closer to the knees. Few deep breaths. And slowly inhale, bring the head down. Release your arms, drop your feet down and stretch your legs straight, one after another, relaxing yourself in Shavasana. Let's practice a simplified set of prone postures which can be practiced by anyone. Bringing your body flat down on the floor, your feet together and your arms stretched straight. Press your palms, inhale and raise the head up, chest up, arching the upper back and the neck, raising elbows. Inhale, move your palms another step back, lifting yourself a little more high. Let the body move freely with breathing. With inhalation, move your palms another step back, raising till the low back, keeping the lower half of the body relaxed. Exhale and bring the body down. Release arms, arms down below the thighs, your palms facing towards the thighs, your chin to the floor. Inhale and raise left leg up, higher. Try to keep your knees straight. Exhale and bring your left leg down. Inhale and raise right leg up. A few seconds. Continue to breathe. Exhale and bring your right leg down. Now release your arms. Bring your palms by the sides of the chest. Press palms. Inhale and raise head up, chest up, arch, look up. Keep your elbows touching the sides of the body, your shoulders relaxed, your chin lifted. Try to keep the lower half of the body relaxed. Breathing in. Exhale and bring the body down to the floor. Tuck both your arms down below the thighs again. Inhale and raise both your legs up from behind. Try to stretch it straight. Holding a few seconds and continue to breathe. Exhale and bring your legs down. Releasing your arms, bringing your palms down below the forehead. Your feet closer to each other. Twisting your neck facing to the right side. Inhale and raise your right leg up. Move it across the left leg and stretch. Let the right heel move away from the body. Breathe continuously. And slowly as you exhale, come down, dropping right leg down. Inhale and raise left leg. Moving your left leg across the right and twist. Breathe deeper. Exhale and come down. Your feet apart, your forehead resting over the palms. Let the body to relax. Now let's practice simple set of sitting postures which helps you ease back pain and relax the muscles of the legs. Sitting with your legs stretched straight, bring your feet closer to each other, your arms supporting the spine. Bend your left knee, place your left foot in the inner side of the right calf. Hold your left knee with your right palm. Slowly pull your knee closer to the right shoulder, your left palm behind the mid of the spine, and twist the spine, look back. Slowly release your arms one by one and stretch your left leg straight. Bend right knee. Holding your right knee with your left palm, your right palm behind the mid of the spine, pull and twist you towards the right side. With each exhalation, try to twist your body. And slowly inhale, twist facing forward, release your leg. Bend both your knees, bring the sole of the feet together and open knees by the sides. Interlock fingers around the toes and move your knees up and down to the count. Loosening the hips, strengthening the spine, and slowly release your palms, placing your palms by the sides of the feet. Keep your chin lifted, breathe in, exhale and lean forward, moving your palms step by step. With each exhalation, try to move your palms forward towards the front end of the mat. Try to move the body towards the floor. You can feel the knees moving down towards the floor. Relax the spine. And slowly as you inhale, walk your palms back, raising the spine straight. Release your arms. Support the spine with the arms behind. Stretch your legs straight one by one. Arching your spine. Relax the spine. Slowly bend your left knee, your left foot to the root of the right thigh. Move your palms down below the right calf region. Breathe in, and as you exhale, try pulling elbow closer towards the floor. With each exhalation, try to move the body closer to the right thigh. Make sure you don't strain the spine. Be relaxed. And slowly, as you inhale, raise up, move your palms behind the spine, release your left leg. Opposite, bending right knee, placing it at the root of the left thigh. tuck your arms below the left calf. Breathe. Exhale and move your elbows down towards the floor. Try to lengthen the spine and move the body towards the left leg now. Moving the crown towards the left toes without any strain. And slowly as you inhale, move back, raising up straight. Place your palms behind. Stretch your legs straight. Bend your knees, placing it a little away from each other. Place your palms behind the hips. Press your palms into feet. Inhale and raise the hips up. The body like a table, balanced on 2 feet and 2 palms. Slowly as you exhale, bring your hips down and stretch your legs straight, arching your spine. Relax the spine. Sitting cross-legged with your back straight, chin lifted, your left arm in chin mudra, your right palm over the abdomen. Try to feel the movement of the abdomen as you breathe. As you inhale, the abdomen moves out, and as you exhale, the abdomen moves in. Follow the movement. Now take a deep breath. Exhale and pump the abdomen in. Inhale deep. Exhale and pump. Inhale. Exhale, pump. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale, pump. Inhale deep. Exhale, pump. And begin. And try just to exhale. Let the inhalation happen automatically. All you have to do is continue to exhale. With each exhalation, there is a vacuum created, and the breath is automatically sucked in. Thoracic breathing, placing the thumb fingers by the sides of the chest and joining your fingertips in front of the chest. Inhale and expand the chest. Exhale and retract the chest. You can feel the chest move as your palms move along. Inhale, the chest expands. Exhale, the chest retracts. Placing your palms against the opposite shoulder blades with your elbows pointing up to the sky, try to breathe in and out. As you inhale, the elbows raise up towards the sky, and as you exhale, the elbows moves down. Inhale, the shoulder raises up. Exhale, the shoulder moves down. Sitting cross-legged with your back straight, chin lifted, your left arm in chin mudra, your right palm over the abdomen. Try to feel the movement of the abdomen as you breathe. As you inhale, the abdomen moves out, and as you exhale, the abdomen moves in. Follow the movement. Sitting with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, elbows bent, your left arm in Chin Mudra, right arm in Nasikara Mudra. Bending your index and the middle finger. Use your right thumb finger to block the right nostril. Inhale and exhale only through the left side. Slow deep breath in and complete breath out. Slow deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Do not strain to breathe. Let the body move gently with breathing. You can feel the abdomen, chest and shoulders expand as you inhale and retract as you exhale. Using the ring and the little finger, block the left nostril. Inhale and exhale only through the right side. Feel the breath as it moves in and out. Try to visualize the movement of the breath as you breathe. With each inhalation, the chest, abdomen and the shoulders expand. With each exhalation, the shoulders, the chest and abdomen retracts. Feel the movement as you breathe. Sitting cross-legged with your back erect, chin lifted and your shoulders relaxed. Bring your arms by the sides of the body, elbows bent, your palms facing forward. Inhale and raise arms up. Exhale, bend elbows, bringing your arms by the sides. Bringing your arms down, both arms in Chin Mudra, relaxing the body. Try to breathe deep. Inhale deep, exhale complete. Try to feel the heart rate come down. Inhale deep, exhale complete, and relax. Surya Pranayama. Using the ring and the little finger, block the left nostril. Inhale through the right side. Block both nostrils and exhale through the left side, slowly letting it out. Block again. Inhale through the right nostril. Block. Exhale through the left nostril. Block again. Right. Inhale deep. Block. Left. Exhale gently. Anulom-Viloma Pranayam. Keeping your left arm in Chin Mudra, your right arm in Nasikara Mudra. Use your right thumb to block the right nostril. Inhale deep through the left nostril. Block both sides. Exhale through the right. Inhale again through the right nostril. Block both nostrils again. Exhale through the left. Left inhale. Block. Right exhale. Right inhale. Block. Left exhale. Inhaling through the left nostril. Exhaling through the right. Inhaling deep through the right nostril. Block. Exhale through the left. Sheetali Pranayam. Sitting with your back straight, both your arms in Chin Mudra. Bring your tongue out, roll it into a tube. Slowly inhale through the mouth. Seal your lips and exhale through the nostrils. Inhale gently through the mouth. You can feel the cool breath as it moves down the air passage. Feel the chest filling with cool breath. Exhale and let the breath out. Inhale. Breathe in through the mouth. Try to prolong the inhalation and exhalation. Exhale through the nostrils. SHEETKARI Pranayam. Clenching your teeth. Try to inhale through the gaps in between the teeth. You can feel the breath move through the air passage, cool and soft. And as you exhale, let it out, slow and soft through the nostrils. Inhale, you can feel the lungs expand, the chest expand. Make sure the lips are sealed as you exhale. For more yoga and Ayurveda related informations, contact ABN Arogya Ayurvedic Hospital, 175 Vellacheri Main Road, Madurai 625004, Tamil Nadu, India. Call +91 9025 700 400. URL www.evnarogya.in. Centers in Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Cochin, Madurai and Malaysia.